Hey guys, it is Wednesday and we are ready to do our writing for the day. Your prompt today says write about your favorite part of the book. Remember to illustrate and label your writing. So the book that they are talking about, there were two. They were both on the Scholastic website, and one was called A Story, and then the other one was Africa. And I read A Story because it read it to me and I like that. And it had moving pictures with the words, which is always really cool. It's like watching a little movie. And it told me to it asked for my favorite part of the book. And the words, the names in the book were kind of hard to understand, so it's a little bit of a challenging read. But the favorite part of the story for me was when Anansi brought the box back down to earth and was able to share all the stories that were in the box. So if you didn't read the book, it doesn't really make sense. Go back and read the book and then come back and do this part of the writing. So let's go ahead and get started. My first part, I've already thought about my first step, which is to think, and I've thought about my favorite part of the book when he brings the golden box back down to earth to share the stories. So my second step is to draw my picture. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am all finished. It was kind of tough to draw that. You know, Miss Rinky's not the best artist, but here is my drawing. I've got this sky where he went up to see the sky god, and this is the ladder that he climbed back down to bring the box of stories back down to earth. So I'm going to go ahead and label my picture. I can't remember how to spell his name. There we go. Anansi. So I'm going to go ahead and label him first. The first Anansi. So let's sound that out. A, and since it's a name, we got to make sure it's a big A, a capital A. So our big A, N, A, N, S, E. Anansi. And then I'll do sky, S, K, Y. And then let's do the box, because that's also a pretty easy label. B, O, X. So I've got my three labels, 1, 2, 3. Now I need to write my sentence. Remember, I want to make it short and sweet, but still relevant to my topic. So the prompt was, write about your favorite part of the book. So my favorite part was Anansi bringing the box back to earth. That's kind of long though, so let's make it even more short and sweet. Anansi brings box to earth. Super easy, right? So let's do that. And we already know how to spell Anansi because it's right here in our label. I spelled it right up from the story. And remember, we're gonna start with our big A all the way over here at this end. So A, N, S, E, brings, B, R, I, N, G, S, brings, box. Remember, we labeled box. We already have that. Super easy. B, O, X, back, B, lots of B words, A, and then C, K. It's one of those blends. C, K. Anansi brings box back to T, O, earth. And because earth is a planet, we're going to make it a big E. E, A, R, and then there's another blend, TH. Anansi brings box back to earth. That was my favorite part of the story. I really liked when he was able to bring it back and share the stories with all of the kids. But my sentence isn't done. What am I missing? My period. Very good. And now my sentence is complete. So I've done step 1, I've thought. I've done step 2, I've drawn. Step 3, I've labeled. Step 4, I've written my sentence. Now I'm ready to add detail and color. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm all finished. There wasn't a ton of color I could add here. It was a pretty simple drawing, but I made my sky blue with my clouds, and I made my ladder silver, just like it was metal. And then I made my box golden. Okay, and then I made my box golden because that's what it was in the story. I hope you guys enjoyed that story, and I hope you're able to find your favorite part to draw and write about too. Remember to send your teacher a picture of your work when you're done. Bye guys, see you Friday.